Hey guys, come with me and see how I did these quick and easy boho passion twists. Starting with, I have already made my parts, and we're going to see what we can do with it. Like I said, I made my parts off camera. I think it was 8 large twists or large sections, and I started off and I'm doing the rubber band method, as you can see. So I tried to do my best with the parts, so don't judge me. Anyway, these are the colors I'm using. Literally all of this stuff was the last stuff in my trunk. So I have a trunk of hair, and this was all the leftover stuff from my ginger colored braids and like red braids that I had. I have all of this is synthetic hair and braiding hair. It's just, I'm just cutting a whole bunch of different brands. As you can see, I'm cutting off the ends because, like I said, it's synthetic, but it's still wefted hair. So now we just jump to here. I'm crocheting the braiding hair through up under the rubber band, and I'm only pulling one piece through. I got a minute left. Okay. So as you can see, I'm getting it in there. Okay. And I wanted, like, you have to twist kind of tight in order for this to work and at least be somewhat neat. They're boho, so that's the good thing about it. Also, I didn't have none of the not ingredients, none of the products I really needed to have. I probably should have saturated my hair way more. And yeah, but I was only planning on leaving this style in for like a week, so it's not too bad. But anyway, I put the got to be glued, mainly focusing on my ends. And I put the got to be glued on there just so it can give the synthetic hair something to stick to. And then it's like I tightly twist. And right there I'm trying to cover up the rubber band because it was like slipping. I didn't really have them very tight. And it's like you have to fluff out the synthetic hair over your own hair. And that's what I had to do. All while twisting and twisting, like twisting the hair, fluffing it out around my hair. And oh man, footage was lost. I'm so worn. But either way, I basically just twisted all the way down as tight as I could. And then at the bottom ends, I added the curly hair that you saw me cut off the weft previously in the previous clip. And I think it turned out really good. The colors are 350 and like a burgundy mixed. Yeah, 350 and burgundy. You can tell right here in the sun in this picture the different colors. And then, like I said, I put the curly wefts on the end and kind of twisted it in. If you want to see like a detailed video of that, I can make one. Just let me know in the comments. But yes, thank you for coming to the channel. So I'm trying to gain more followers, so I will be posting more content in the very near future, so stay tuned. It'll be more quality content. And yes, thank you again for coming to my channel. Like, subscribe, comment any questions or anything you'd like to know more regarding this video or anything else regarding hair or anything. Thanks. Like and subscribe.